Om Ganganapataye Namah, Sri Gurubhyo Namah, hariom. The examples presented in our scriptures, incarnations, are to drive home the point of upholding, comprehending that substratum, which is facilitator. Everything the facilitated owes to it. So that is the thing. In this talk, we will try to revel upon that one. They say the stone from Ramayana. It is said stone it drowns, but the stone inscribed with Rama, divine name, float. So the one thing is, okay, God is that is the glory of the God. Yes, that is from that point of view correct. But the underlining the tatwika point of it is now Rama, the letters means that is they are the they are the divine words, not just any kind of a name. The root seed letters point to Rama Tattva, means Jnana and Prakasha. And the being, being is being the person who is carrying that word is that stone. It is the being, the I am existing, the ego, whatever ego. Now, if you see, Rama means that which revels everywhere, and that which is dwells omniscient, anta Ramamayam. That which is everything is Rama is Jnana. So existence, Jnana, Prakasha, Shakti. This is what is it is this word denotes that one. That means this word. Like that word India means all that everything is, and its geographical, its population, all that is held in thing. The drama word is that the Atma Rama, Paramatma Rama means that which revels. That is Paramatma is what Asti existing, Jnana, Prakasha and Shakti. Now that Jnana's immediate expression is I am. I am. I am means Jnana, Jnana means I am. And Jnana Prakasha, when it is operating via mind, that it is a source light illuminating the mind, and the illuminated mind is, manifested mind is names and forms, varied scenes thing that is manifested. So the derivatives of the light are the manifestations of the mind, names and form. That is illumination. This is illuminated. Yes, another example could be that light. It is falling on a prism. That Vibgr is what is the manifested manifestations at the mental level, and that is Shakti is what? Shakti formations, a gross state, or what? Sharira, Deha, and the Stula, the gross five elements. Now, Shakti is now energy. That science clearly upholds physics that it is energy. Energy's expressions are matter. Matter goes to in like a H2O ocean. It is a salt. It is a solid state. Vapor, condensed water, vapor, and it cools water, condensed, then it is ice, like that. It is a gross ice cubes. So this is the flow, and same way ether, transformations are vayu, air, fire, the heat, then it cools water to earth. Now this kind of a thing, all the formations owes to Shakti, all the element owes to light, all the I am, wherever it is surfacing, I am means light, Jnana. Now what is happening? Now this out of the avidya, this I am is this because of will, non-apprehension of reality, Jnana, it is projecting an entity. I am existing. Jnana as I am is fine, but I am existing. This is a projected entity. This is now, now this one, now it is happening. This has done another mistake. The manifested names and forms of the mind, it has uh, separated from the light. So then it is conferring their existence. These bhavas, mind exist. Now existence is light. Now derivative light, names and form, they have given conferred with an existence. And now that Shakti is existence, and Shakti formations are gross objects at individual level body, and outer thing elements. Now these formations of the Shakti are form of Shakti. Now these formations are diverse from the Shakti. Now we have conferred existence to the gross. Now like this, the being, he is being jnana, he is diverse. Now the three stages of diversation has happened. So now that this analogy, stone is one thing which is ego, that it has I am existing, that projected, and that ocean is these two domains, means bhava, means emotions which are separated from the energy conscious from the light, and the gross entity separate from the Shakti. Now this person who is separated, he is getting entrapped. He is knower and he is identifying with his he is bhava bandha, he is bhava roga, he is confronting, he is not a bhava bandha, vande bhava, and due to this one there is a bhaya, vande vishnu bhava bhaya. So now the individual, the ocean is like that, this idam, which is in which the aham is getting buried. It by it is inevitable fate. That's why this because of this one trio, this one there is a tapatrayam, because there is a thing, there is a there is a there is a ignorance. Due to this, the individual is separated, and he has separated. The separation happens. Now at jnana level, he is the one drowned, and domain of drowning is this anatma. So this is happening. Anatmani, this is bandha. Now the Rama inscription will make it float, even when it is in thing. Means when he has encoded him to be awareness. Awareness, that means what? I am existing, this thing. Who said I am? Who knows I am? So this I am is existence and knowledge, and existence and knowledge are universal. They are all pervading. They are nirakara, formless. That is one. Now it's amsha. Now, like electricity is one. It is tapped to the in the train. Like electricity one, it is tapped in the house. Like sunlight is there. There is a mobile thing. It is tapped inside through the light. So there is a mobile. There is a pot on wheels and the akasha. Now once it has logged, established its identity. That means Rama means it has connected, established contact. Then this stone floats. Otherwise, this stone is bound to be drowned. So it is jnana. It is absence of jnana. Then it is getting. It is inevitable that it would dry. It would be thing. That's why they are dehatma. And God has said, Esha Brahmi Sthiti. Jnana. Sthita Prajna is Sthita in that Rama state. That is Jnana. Rama, Sachidananda Swarupa, and Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda. All that is his macro realm glorifications of Rama. Now, this Rama is held means then the stone. So there is no ego. the ensured God in. So Rama, stone with Rama is ensure God in. What a jnana. So otherwise, ego means ensure God out. So stone without Rama, it drowns. And the domain of drown are the emotions, the bhavas, the feelings, thoughts, um, thoughts, and mental, all vibrations, mental activity. They are separated from the thing. Now the gross entities. This is the domain of drowning ocean, and the drowned is the being who is separate because they are inert. Now this one. Now by that establishing that link, the train electricity has logged to the main electricity. Then it is saved. So that is the beatitude of the inner message. The being who is separated from his awareness, he is getting drowned in idam. Idam is idam shariram. Shariram is yes, all that happening to the. Now the stone drowns it, all the attributes of the ocean, all the attributes of the emotions, are like that, are calling the shot. Now the individual is under its spell, whichever the vicissitudes of ocean, all that is a condition, the being, the entire domain, the now body and the mind has become a puppeteer, and the being is the puppet. Now, this has to be, it has to be undone. The otherwise is okay for the being. Then he has to he has to inscribe that Rama. He has to wed. Uh, he has to carry that connectivity, connection to Rama. Rama means he will float. He is dissociated. Though he is now the message is one need not quit the mind or mundane life, but in the absence of awareness he is getting trapped. Now that's why it says bhavagrahi or bhavarogi. Bhavarogi is one who is infected with bhavas. Bhautika rogi. Bhautika rogi infected with the bindings of the body. Now, bhavarogi, bhautika rogi, and it is then he floats now because of he is getting drowned. Now bhavagrahi and bhautika ghata drashta, deha drashta. Now as one who is aware of it, he is separated. So he floats. So for this to be bhavagrahi or deha drashta, one has to have jnana. That jnana is Rama. So stone inscribed with Rama, the subtle, the message is, so one whosoever there is no awareness, then he is bound to be drowned, entrapped. That is what is the silkworm, like that. It is a thing like a fish separated from the water. Now then it is a crying. Same way the stone drowns. Now it has to jump, means trace to it. It has to retain the inscription Rama, means the awareness. It is endowed with awareness. So this is all these are efforts to connect to that substratum, that thing adharam adhayam. This is the source and sourced. Now so this kind of a thing will give the perfection, and it checkmates. Now everybody want a relief. Now the for stone, what efforts would make it to float? Once it is inscribed with Rama, it floats. Same way with awareness, the being extricates himself with the attachments, affiliations. These are foisted. These are avidya and vidya. Rama means vidya, stone. Avidya by default stone. Stone is the state. By that I am, once it is, it floats. This is to convey. This is to share the subtle hint which helps a person. This is a tool to fix, checkmate the avidya, ignorance. It's the knowledge. Then that gives the knowledge is blissful. That is the what is the redemption from the otherwise chuti. Chuti is happening. This means this falls. Then Achyuta. This one we are escalating to the higher thing. It is like a somebody basement. He is pulled down the ball. Now we are effort. We are trying to trace it back from Achyuta means who is elevated to the terrace. That is, it floats. Now basement, that is the limitation. So this analogy is a wonderful. It is only to helps in sadhana, and like that everything connects to that reality. Hariom.